It was about 10 o'clock at night. I was leaving my friend's house and going to my house. The road was deserted, so I kept the bike in full speed. I was in a hurry to reach home. I had to go to my friend's house because of some notice, and now I was returning home. It was so quiet on the road that everything was moving. Even the trees on the side of the road were standing still as if they moved and someone would uproot them. But suddenly, I had to reduce the speed of the bike because there was someone standing in the middle of the road ahead. His long hair was waving because of the wind. Where did it come from? This was bothering me. I was slowly approaching the person, and then when I was few yards away from him, I got a shock of surprise, and I started to look at him in amazement. He was not a person. Rather, there was a girl. And the girl was also the one whom a man would be in awe of. Get lost. I have never seen such beauty in my life. This girl was thought to be a nymph.